And to become as a member, there is an entry fees once in your lifetime, which is 500 US dollars. Okay, since we are in Philippines, we need to use peso, which will be 26,500 peso. Okay, you're going to pay this only once in your lifetime to become as a member to choose FX United as your broker. When you choose the broker, then only you can enter to the MT4 platform. That MetaTrader 4 platform belongs to Hashim and is a very high-end platform, whereby you're going to make your millions over there. Alright? Now, when you already deposit the 500 US dollars, become as a member, the broker will give you 500 plus another 150 as a margin bonus. 150 as a margin bonus. That means altogether you have 650 US dollars in your account. Now, what are we going to do? Use that money? Trading alone. Okay, we don't believe in demo or dummy accounts. Why? Because I don't want you to do the same mistake what I did 1 year ago. See? Because you know why? This demo account, they're created in such a way you easily can earn money. It's a business, the win-win situation, right? Okay, let's say I took, I become as a member from the demo account 1.5 years ago. They gave me 1 million. Is it a real money? Just the numbers for me. By using the 1 million, I made 3 million US dollars. You know what my heart says? And then now you're ready. Go for the life account. When I jump to the life account, within few seconds, I don't know where my money gone. I don't even know what happened. But then only I realized, okay, we don't believe in demo or dummy account. If you're going to concentrate on dummy account, one day your life also will be dummy. Right? Okay, so let this WINS account as your learning account, whereby this is a live trade. You make your money also over here. Right? So guys, I want you to make some profit using the WINS account. Once you're already making a profit, can I stop you? Champion, you need money, right? So you won't stop. Whereby at the same time, we won't be just keep quiet also. Champion, this is a blessing to us, correct or not? We want you to share this blessing among our family members, maybe our best friends, right? When you do that, if you're going to refer traders, you will be rewarded. Okay, this is what is so-called as base plan, right? So how are you going to reward? It's something like an introduction commission. Each and every one you are going to introduce for 500 US dollars. You're going to get $50 out of the sign up of the trader, which will be $50, which is 10%. Correct? And this will be the real-time income. Real-time means the moment whoever you introduce directly activate their WINS account, on the spot you will get the money. And you are free to withdraw the money to your local banks. Alright? So as you can see guys, for every person you directly introduce and it's infinity, the broker never says only 2 people you can introduce. At the same time, the broker never forces you to introduce. It's up to you friends. If you want to add on your equity, you can do this. Clear? Now, another bonus they're going to give you as a group sales bonus. So let's say that will be your left and this will be your right group. So on the day 1, what happens? Let me see. Let us see over here. On the day 1, you have 6 traders for 500 US dollars, which will be the accumulated amount of 3,000 US dollars. And on this side, you have 10 sign up for 500 US dollars, which will be 5,000. Now they're going to do a pairing or matching. Which one is the lowest amount out of these two? 3,000, right? So they're going to pay you 8% out of the 3,000, which will be 240 US dollars, right? And after that, out of these 5,000, they only pay you 3,000. Another 2,000 they will carry forward to the next day, right? Now let's see what happens on the day 2. You have 10 sign up over there. Here you have 8 sign up for $4,000, and yesterday's carry forward was 2,000 plus altogether 6,000. Now out of 5,000, 6,000, which one is the lowest? 5,000. 8% is paid to you, which will be 400 US. And it goes on until it goes on. As long as you have a sign up in your groups. Right? By doing this, what are the maximum bonus you can earn per day is 750 US dollars only. Alright? And it will be 33,750 peso per day. That is the maximum you can earn from this WINS account. Alright? If you're going to do the same thing, you will have 22,000 US dollars, which will be 1 million peso. And let's assume this is going to be happen in a year. So your equity in a year will be 12 million peso. Can you see that? Now we have a huge amount, correct or not? So you can start to do your trading in a bigger scale. Guys, whatever your profit is, every profit is determined by your equity. The more equity you have, the more profit you're going to earn. Let's, for example, if you have $100 and wanted to make 10,000 US dollars, this is not the place. That is gambling. Diba? Alright? So you must understand that also. So with enough big equity, you can start a big trade. Something like this. Grabe, can you see that? Can you see that? 560,000 US dollars in a day. $500,000 US dollars in a day. Sounds good? Sounds good? How are you going to earn every day? Then you will have another problem. It's a healthy problem. Don't know how to spend the money really. Most of the traders are suffering now. Don't know how to spend the money really now. That's why I told you guys, becoming as a millionaire, no more big deal really, when you get to know the secret, right? So this will be our second plan, which will be retirement plan. Okay, when talking about retire, most of the people think that our retirement age is 60 to 65. Diba? Who said so? If I ask everyone, how many of you wanted to work up to the age of 60 or 65? You see, none of them. Then why the government is fixing that rate or fixing that age? Think about it. Think about it. Okay, so guys, some of the people they think that retirement is shaking your leg, doing nothing. End of the day, if you need money, go to mama and papa. Is that retirement? No. Okay, what is the definition of retirement? For me, if you ask what is retirement, when your bank balance looks like your mobile phone number, that means you are ready to retire already. Right? Yeah, that is retirement. Or in another word, let's say your loved one call you, honey, let's go to Hong Kong. I feel wanted to eat some noodles. You say, sige ma, book the ticket, fly now. That is retirement. When she finish the noodle, they say, honey, I just wanted to buy some perfume. Let's fly to France. Without checking your bank balance, without thinking anything. Sige ma, book another ticket to France now. That is what we call as retirement. See? So guys, when you have a group of traders and they have enough equity like what you did just now, okay, with enough equity and knowledge, what they will do next? Same thing, they're going to do a trade. By doing this, you're going to get paid for this, guys. You see? Now you should understand, what am I doing here in Philippines? Why am I claiming myself as half Filipino? You see, guys? So, the moment I'm going to teach you, I'm going to earn from you. Not from your money. The broker is paying me. That's what I told you, right? This is the only broker in the world, as I know, willing to share their profit. You see? How are they going to pay you? See? So, as you can see, guys, let's assume. Let's say I introduce someone else in this industry and he wanted to trade using $1. And if you're going to use the same currency, which is kind of currency, which is US versus Euro versus US dollars, just now the spread was 3 baht. Alright? Now, $1 times 3 spread. Sorry, because my handwriting, you know, right? PhD's handwriting should be like this. So the broker is earning $3 from the person who I introduced. That means the broker is deduct this $3 in advance from their account. And from this $3, the broker is willing to pay, from this $3, the broker is willing to pay me 54%. Is it a good deal? I'm just talking about one trade. See? Correct or not? So how much was that? $1.62. Now, from $1.62, let's say you have 24 hours a day to trade. And from Monday to Friday you can trade. Sorry to say that Saturday and Sunday there is no trade because the market is closed. You know why the market is closed? That is the reason behind it, guys. Most of them don't know why. Let me tell you this. You know why there is no market on Saturday, Sunday? Whatever you earn from Monday to Friday, go and spend all the money with your family or your loved one on Saturday and Sunday. Guys, look aside. This is a life of a forex trader. Now, how if on Sundays you finish all the money? Coming Monday, the next day, you have another 6 trillion baht. Go and scalp it now. Correct or not? See? So, let's assume this guy just entered to the trade for 10 times in 24 hours within a month. Possible, right? So, that means I'm going to earn $16.20 from him. My mathematics is correct, right? Yeah, mathematics cannot be wrong, friends, according to my method. Right? So, I'm going to earn from him $16.20. What if I'm going to introduce same like him as traders? How much is my profit for the day? Now, what I did to get this every day without doing nothing, $162. Is it a good deal? See? So guys, that is what I'm trying to say, that the moment you introduce a person, or this is the beauty of this industry, the moment you introduce someone else, if they started to make money, do you think that you can stop them? Do you think that I will call you early morning? Hey, today make sure you put a buy and sell so that I can earn from you. You know what you're doing, friends. Sometimes some of the people are called us, how come my MP4 is jammed? Then I will tell them, today Saturday, Sunday, alarm. Relax, done. Then Monday you can trade again. Correct or not? People are too excited. Because US dollars baht, you don't need to move from the house. Inside the house also you can trade as long as you have internet connectivity. Right? So these are the 5 levels of payment. Okay, just now I just talked about 54% over here. Correct? This 54% is only from one level. And the broker is willing to pay you up to 5 levels. Can you see that? So this is what I told you, up to 85% the broker are willing to pay you. See? So within this 1 year and 3 months, I'm into this business. Okay, I already have more than 3,500 traders under my group, and they are spread all over the world. Not only in Philippines, they have in Arab Saudi, they have in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Taiwan. A lot of people out there. And I don't even know who are they. See? So that is the beauty part of these guys. So let's do a simple calculation to the power of 5. You know what is compounding means? 5 become 25, 25 become 125. Have you heard about this great man Albert Einstein? The great scientist, right? According to Albert Einstein, the compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. See, it can do wonders at the friends. So by just having 5 people, by just introduce 5 of them as a trader, you're gonna earn $40.50 per day. So that 5 will become 25. And this will be the power of compounding, as you can see. And this, as per this projection, per day, your affiliate bonus will be $1,896, which will be 91,000 pesos every day. Even though you say that I don't want this money to be in my bank because bank is money. From where you get the money? You cannot control it, guys. The money will be flowing in your account. What to do? Right? And your total earning per month will be 1.8 million pesos. Sound good? Sound good? Guys, this is 100%. Correct or not? What if 10%? What are the possibilities? Still hard, is it, to believe? What is the possibility of 1% out of this amount? Still money, diba? Correct or not? And what are the possibilities to get 1%? 100%? So it's up to you, right, guys? Now we have a bigger equity. Correct or not? Now we can start a bigger trade. See? So this will be the third accounts that they're going to give you as a member in FX Manager. We call this as a capital gain auto trading, or we can call this as a CGAT. I will call this as you just see and get your money by doing nothing. that is in here. Okay, or we can call this as expert advisors, whereby Seagate is a piece of software written specifically for the MetaTrader platform, and Seagate can just advise the traders which trade to make or can be programmed to automatically execute the trades on a live account. Don't understand anything, right? In a simple word, let the software do the trading. Now you understand? So guys, here on the third account, we cannot do trading. Let the software or the expert advisor, which will be a software, do the trading for you. Right? By doing this, what are you going to get? And Champlain, you must join in the Wix account. That means you must be a member under the FX method. So minimum on the first account you can deposit is $1,000 and can go up to $10,000. Under one name or under one ID, you can have up to 10 accounts only. Okay, if you're going to deposit 10,000 from each and every account, on the end of the 10th account, you might have $100,000. So what I'm trying to say is, under one ID, minimum is $1,000 and can go up to maximum of $100,000. Right? Now, by depositing this much of amount, what are you going to get in return? The traders can enjoy returns from 12 to 20% per month. See, you're gonna get this return 12 to 20% every month. Okay, because why are you going to get this? Because the software is going to trade for you. Clear? So guys, according to FX Limited, the broker, they just they promise to us like saying that minimum return is 12%. That means no less than 12% every month. See? Alright? And as you can see, depositor and introducer can earn up to 19.8% as per from the capital. So how they going to get the 19%? As a depositor, you're gonna get 12%, right? Okay, let's assume I am lack of money. I don't even have $1,000 to deposit the money. I still can do this business under the third account. How? I will go and share about this good thing to the people out there those who have the money. Right? So the moment they started to deposit the money, I'm gonna get 4.5% out of that. Good deal, Diba? Right? Even though you never put any money, by just introducing, you're gonna get 4.5% every month. You know how big is a 4.5%? Let's assume that some of them are going to deposit 100,000, which is maximum. You know how much you're going to get? $4,500 every month, as long as he's money into the account. Good return, isn't it? And what you did for this? Only for the first time, you just went there to introduce about this to him, whereby he will enjoy this 12% every month. Right? On the second level, you're going to get 2.0. On the third level, 1%. And from the fourth level, 0.3%. Alright? And your principal can be withdrawn at any time. This will be another good news. Because this money belongs to you. You have all the rights to withdraw your money whenever you need it. Because sometimes you know why, guys? You know this emergency, right? It won't tell us before it comes. Do you think that the emergency will send you a message or mail before it comes to you? That is what is so called as emergency, right? Correct or not? At some case of emergency, if you want to withdraw the money, you can withdraw anytime you want because this money belongs to you. Another good news, right? And by doing that, the broker is going to charge you 3% because you're going to breach the contract. You will have a written contract you can download and print out from the website once you become a member, right? So it's stated that within 12 months of withdrawal, you're breaching the contract, they will deduct the 3%. Here I'm giving you another simple example, friends, as you can see. Now let's assume on the April, you put some money and the broker is paying you 12%. This 12% belongs to you. You can withdraw this money for your local banks. Now, on the May, which is the next month, okay, this emergency is going to meet us without our knowledge, right? So you wanted to take out the money or you wanted to withdraw the money. How much the broker is deducting? How much you make over there? Now you tell me nothing, just park your money over there. Good deal, right? And you can top up from your e-wallet also. Let's say that you have some 10,000 US dollars from winning trade. You make a profit from the trade, and you can send the money to the CG80 from your e-wallet. Alright? So this will be the minimum monthly potential income based on the $10,000 US dollars deposit. Okay, just for your just a projection only. As a depositor, you're going to get 12%. Alright? If you're going to introduce only one for 10,000 US dollars, you're going to get 450 US. On the second level, 200. On the third level, $200. And on the fourth level, $30. Guys, believe me, maybe for the first and second level, you would have known who are they. Because you are the one went there and talked to them and introduced to them, right? When it goes to the third and fourth level, we don't even know who are they. That day I was shocked seeing, on my third or fourth level, some name by the name of Sheikh. Sheikh means from Arab Saudi. We don't even know who Sheikh is. But he be able to deposit the money. Over here, since he's under my hierarchy, I'm going to earn 1% and 0.3%. Fair enough, right? See, it's a good news also, right? So, and of course, this software is not free for you. You have to pay for the software. Okay, each and every month the broker will deduct 1%, okay, from your equity. Okay, for example, if you look your account size, let's say you deposited 1,000 US dollars, which is minimum, they will deduct $10 as 1% every month. This is for the CG80 monthly maintenance. They will deduct from the e-wallet, friends. Okay, and then from the second to the 10th account, the first account is free for you, no deduction on the annual fees. As you can see, from the 10th to the second to the 10th account, the broker will deduct, or the broker, you need to pay the broker 3% annually. That means, before you wanted to deposit the money, this will be happen, guys. You see, even though it's me also the same thing, right? I'm also the same thing. For example, I wanted to know whether this broker is really promising, delivering their promise or not. Correct or not? So I just put on my first account, which is 1,000, and then I wait for the next 3 months, see whether I get my 12% or not. Diba? Correct or not? To be fair and square with you, right? Okay? Now what happens after the 3 months, if I be able to get my 12% as they have promised, now I will open up my second account with the bigger equity. Correct? So at that time, you need to pay another 3% in advance. It all depends on your equity. Clear? And that is only 1 year once, alright? And this is how the CG80 status report will be looks like. See? So as you can see, the amount deposit is 10,000 US dollars. When was it? 19th of October 2015. Alright? So as you can see, every month they are paying the profit. How much is 12% out of 10,000 US dollars? $1,200. As you can see, they are paying every month. And my contract is already, already 12 months. You see? So, guys, as you can see, the broker is paying you 12% every month, correct? If you just leave your money for another 12 months, what will be your return of investment? 144%. Is it a good is it a good return?
Yes.
Sharing. Okay? If you want to know more about this, how can a software can do this kind of wonders? That's why they call this as a miracle in forex trading. Okay, feel free to meet me, not after this, on the office. So I will teach you. I will declare to you how can a software can make 144% a month. Yes, because I created my own software. So I know what am I talking about, right? So guys, let me introduce, of course, my mentor, the man, the myth, the legend, right? So our FX London Action Team founder, Dr. Murthy. See? So we have this team so-called as FX Action Team in order to support all the traders out there. Without them, or without Dr. Murthy, I'm not here today. You see? So he is the one, when he came to know this industry 2.5 years ago, he saw the potential over there. He saw his future over there. You see? And he grabbed that opportunity, okay? And then he did this business, he grew this business all around the world, not only in Malaysia, Philippines, all around the world. And because of him today, a lot of family are doing very well, including me. See? So I would like to give a round of applause to our mentor, Dr. Muhyiddin. This is the only reason why I'm teaching you for free, because I got this free from him. Diba? Correct or not? And I want to give that for free to you. And only one thing I want you to do. You don't need to pay me anything. Can or can? You don't need to pay me. You only do one thing. Okay? All we need is, the moment I share this to you, when you make some profit, what will you think? No need to praise me also. Just include my name in your prayers. I feel blessed. That's it. Diba? That's why I said it's a blessing. The moment I teach you for free, make sure you also go outside and teach for free. Don't ask for the people with $10,000. Please, friends. Because everyone is deserved to become as a forex traders. See, anyhow, in any ways, we're going to help another family out there. Right? Imagine, friends. Let's assume here we have a population in Philippines. We have a population of 110 million people, right? But we do have a lot of OFW, diba? I have a lot of friends OFW from Singapore and Malaysia. That's why I chose Philippines as my second home, because they love me, I love them. See? So they are really respectful person for me, right? So guys, as you can see, pity these OFW friends. Just imagine, let's say a typhoon strikes in the northern Manila. Do you think that they can, work peacefully in Malaysia or Singapore? They can't even concentrate their work because their family is here.